Why 95% of traders are not successful in trading. Why only 1% of people in the world are profitable intraday trading. Do they know something you don't? And is it really impossible to live from trading? Now we will answer all these questions. In the world of trading, success isn't just about making money. It's about mastering the art of discipline, resilience, and relentless determination. Only two things separate you from profitability. Two very important things that everyone talks about and no one follows. Discipline and emotions. Without discipline, it is almost impossible to become profitable. Seemingly a very easy segment, but very difficult in practice. And you probably have discipline problems yourself, whether you want to admit it or not. Discipline is what keeps you away from big losses and reckless trades. When it comes to emotions, many people trade with emotions. The reason is that they are trading with the wrong intentions, which is to make money very quickly, and they are trading with money that they should not lose. This very often happens with people of poorer financial status because they try to earn as much money as possible in the shortest possible time. In the short term, this could happen, but very soon that money will disappear with this way of trading. So how to make money by trading? Before you start trading, you need to understand how trading works. In the simplest words, trading is a transaction of money from an impatient to a patient trader. So I just need to be patient and I will make money? No, but it will definitely increase your chances of not losing money very quickly. You must be aware that for the first 3-4 years, you will constantly lose money. That is the average of all major profitable traders. Anyone who tells you that it is possible to make big money in a short time, you do not want to deal with such people. Then how can you shorten those 4 years to a year? The answer to this question is very simple. Find a mentor who will help you shorten your study time. Given that everyone today calls themselves a profitable trader, there are a lot of people who offer mentoring services, and the only thing they know is to draw support and resistance. A mentor is not someone who knows how to draw on a graph and tell you to buy or sell something. Although it would be ideal for you because you don't have to spend your time on it. A mentor is someone who understands what he buys and why he buys it. But what exactly do I mean by that? Simply put, fundamental analysis. Understanding economics and macroeconomics will go a long way in helping you find good trades. How fundamental analysis is done and how it is traded. Fundamental analysis is a method used to evaluate the intrinsic value of a financial asset, such as stocks, bonds, or currencies. It involves analyzing various economic, financial, and qualitative factors that can affect the value of an asset. So, how can you apply that on trading forex? Let's say you are trading gbpjpy. You have to understand what is happening in Great Britain and what is happening in Japan. To know the answer to that question, you need to understand the fiscal and monetary policy of those countries. Let me simplify it a bit. You need to follow the news that affects the price, which is CPI, PPI, unemployment, NFP, GDP, etc. If you don't understand any of the above, you're not a trader, you're a gambler. As harsh as it sounds, you cannot earn and live from trading. You don't even need to know it all, but you should surround yourself with people who know it all. And that's why it's important to be part of a community that understands all that. Before you decide to pay someone to mentor, you need to make sure they understand fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is valid for all traders, while technical analysis is subjective.